Redmi Note is the elder brother of Redmi 1S. In almost everything, it's better than Redmi 1S. It has a MediaTek 6592 octa-core chipset, which is clocked at 1.7 GHz, a 5.5-inch IPS LCD HD screen, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, 5 megapixel front-facing camera, dual SIM capabilities, 8 GB internal storage, expandable via microSD, a 3100 mAh battery. Redmi Note excels in build quality. It's definitely well designed and well manufactured. It's completely plastic, but plastic never felt this premium before. Build gets a 4.5. Display is a 5-inch 720p panel. Though the resolution is low for its size, it manages to keep things sharp enough. It's also worth noting that even phones like HTC Desire 816 and Xperia T2 Ultra come with similar or larger screens and the same resolution, which are priced higher than 20,000 in India. There are no complaints about the display. After all, resolution is not all that makes a good display. Display gets a 4.5. Software is exactly the same what you see on Redmi 1S. Only change is the easy mode, which when enabled creates a simple user interface which would be very helpful for elderly people. Thanks Xiaomi, now we can gift phones to our grandparents. Redmi Note receives updates before Redmi 1S does, so that's one more plus point. Redmi Note comes with KitKat out of the box, unlike Redmi 1S which comes with Jelly Bean. Software 4.5. Camera is a 13 megapixel sensor, which is on par with many other top-end phones. Picture quality is brilliant. Color reproduction is accurate, video recording is smooth, overall impressive, and a very high price to performance ratio. There is also a 5 megapixel front facing camera which does a brilliant job for taking selfies. Camera 4.5. Battery is a 3100 mAh battery. Okay, let me get this thing straight. When you use a Redmi Note, there's every chance that you would forget where you left your charger. It gave me an entire 2 days on a single charge. If you want a phablet with a great battery, stop this video right here and go buy yourself a Redmi Note. Battery, clean 5. Performance is not definitely what you get from a 10,000 phone. It's more like a premium device from a well-known brand, say an HTC Desire 816 or a Samsung Galaxy Grand 2. Sometimes Redmi Note might outperform those devices. True octa-core MediaTek 6592 chipset does a great job. Gaming has no issues. Redmi Note can run pretty much everything you throw at it. Performance 4.5. For the conclusion, there is not much to say. If you want a phablet under 10,000, just go for it. There's no other go. And if you are looking for mid-range phablets, never forget to consider Redmi Note. It's definitely worth it.